So hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to make loops with using head pins or wire, whatever you want to use. I'm using head pins right now, so I'm going to do it two different ways, one with needle nose pliers and one with loopers. I have another pair of loopers and I can't seem to find them. So first one we're going to do is with the needle nose pliers. So what I'm going to do to make a loop is I'm going to bend one way, like a 90-degree angle, and then I'm going to take my wire and push it around like that. Okay. So it's going to end up kind of looking like that. If you have excess like I do here, I'm going to cut it off. Got a little bit of an opening, so I'm just going to go back in and close it like that. So that's one way to make a loop using needle nose pliers. The easiest way to make a loop is with my loopers. I had to figure out how to use these when I first got them, so I figured I'd make a video to show you how. So you're going to take your head pin or wire, push it through here. It's got a little hole over here. You're going to go like this, push it through this little area, push it through the hole, and then close. Just like that. Okay, now you have a perfect loop. Okay, I'll do it one more time, the other side. Again, take the wire or the head pin, put it through here, stick it through the hole. You see that little hole right there? It sticks right out. Make it however long you want, and then close. That loops just like that. Open, pull it off, and now you have a loop. There's going to be a little piece of wire stuck in there, and that typically just comes right out just like that. So that's it. That's how you do it. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.